Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session is a continuation of chapter 3, change in profit sharing ratio of existing partners. Problem number 19, X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1 on 31st March 2016. The balance sheet showed general reserve of rupees 60,000. It was decided that in future they will share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So old ratio is 2:1, new ratio is 3:2. Pass necessary journal entry in each of the following alternative cases. Case 1, if general reserve is not to be shown in the new balance sheet, if general reserve is to be shown in the new balance sheet. Now you have two different cases. First, let us calculate what is the sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. So first one, I'll just start with working note. Calculation of sacrifice or gain. In this first one, you have X. What is the sacrificing ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of X is 2 divided by 3 minus new ratio is 3 divided by 5. And Y, you have 1 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 5. Now this ratio needs to be compared. So what you are supposed to do, simply multiply this with 5 and this with 3. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 15. Similarly, I'm going to compare this. I'm going to minus with this, so the denominator should be equal. So multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 3. I'm just showing it as a multiplication symbol. Don't take it as power. Okay, multiplication. So 5 minus 6 divided by 15. This is what we get when we calculate. So the sacrificing ratio 1 by 15, because it is a positive figure. Now here minus 1 by 15. Now Y is the gaining partner, X is the sacrificing partner. Now calculation of compensation by working note 2. Calculation of compensation by Y to X. Now what is the compensation? The amount of compensation, the reserve is 60,000 into 1 by 15. So if I am doing 1 by 15, I am getting 4,000. So Y has to compensate X. Now in the first case, case 1, that is general reserve not shown in new balance sheet. In this case, we will just have to segregate the general reserve and show general reserve account debit to X. I hope that you are able to see X capital account to Y's capital account. So see, it's not shown in the new balance sheet, which means there is no problem of compensation or anything. This just general reserve is segregated, that's it. So 60,000 and the 40,000 and 20,000 not shown in the new balance sheet, so I'm just segregating in the old ratio. So being adjustment of balance in general reserve account in old ratio. Okay, so this is the entry. Case 2, if general reserve is to be shown in the new balance sheet, in that case what are we supposed to do? Case 2, general reserve is shown in new balance sheet. In this case, it is Y's capital account debit to X capital account, okay, being the balance adjusted in sacrificing ratio. Okay, so what is the balance? 4,000 and 4,000. I hope that this is clear. We are not showing this in the new balance sheet, so we are just have to compensate, that's it. So that amount only I am writing. So just understand this. Adjustment of accumulated profits or losses or reserves through capital account only when accumulated profits or losses are to be retained in the balance sheet. Please make sure that you understand this statement. Okay, so that's what we have done. See, adjustment of accumulated profits or losses or reserves through capital account only when accumulated profits are to be retained in the books. Sometimes the partner may decide that existing balance of profit and loss or reserve should continue to appear at the same amount in the balance sheet of reconstituted firm. This may also happen. So make sure that you understand this. So after reading this, I think that you would have got one clarity. If general reserve is not shown in the books in the new balance sheet, then that general reserve is to be segregated among the old partner in the old profit sharing ratio. That is clear enough. But if it is shown in the new balance sheet, if it is to be shown in the new balance sheet, then you have to pass an adjustment entry. That is the sacrificing ratio. So based on the sacrificing ratio, who is compensating? Y is compensating X. So that ratio you will compensate. So I'll just take you through the next problem. D, E and F are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They decide to share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3:5 with effect from 1st April 2017. They also decide to record the effect of the following without affecting their book values by passing an adjustment entry. So they have clearly given, they just have to pass an adjustment entry. Okay, so general reserve is 1,50,000, contingency reserve 25,000, profit and loss account credit 75,000, advertisement suspense account debit 1 lakh. So how we are going to go ahead with this particular question? You should understand this is an asset. Okay, all these things will be shown in the liability side. So now what we are supposed to do is, first we need to calculate the working note 1, calculate of sacrifice or gain. Okay, so we all are aware that sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So D, old ratio is 5 divided by 10, new ratio is 2 divided by 10, so 3 divided by 10. What about E? 3 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10, there is no change. What about F? 2 divided by 10 minus 5 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10. So this is a sacrifice, this is a gain. When there is a negative, then it is gain. Now we have to pass an adjustment entry alone. Am I right? So what we are supposed to do, we need to calculate the amount for calculating that adjustment. So total of the liability minus the asset. So working note 2. Calculation of net effect of accumulated profits or losses and reserves. I hope you can see here, reserves. Okay, so calculation of accumulated effect of accumulated profit and loss and reserves. So we have general reserve, which is 1,50,000, contingent reserve we have 25,000, profit and loss credit balance. Credit balance means it is a profit. Okay, so credit balance is 75,000. Totally 2,50,000 is a credit balance minus advertisement. I hope that you can see this. Advertisement suspense debit balance is 1,00,000. So net effect is 1,50,000. So how much is the sacrifice or gain? He has to do 1,50,000 into 3 divided by 10. So if I am doing 3 divided by 10, I am getting 45,000 as F to compensate D. Okay, so I'm going to write the journal entry, date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. So this is going to be the format. Okay, so particulars, F's capital account debit to D's capital account debit. So 45,000 and 45,000. Being narration being adjustment made for net accumulated profits, losses and reserves. Okay, so this is how you need to show it in the format. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this concept. Adjustment of accumulated profit through capital account only when accumulated profits are to be retained in the books. They clearly say, they also decide to record the effect of the following without affecting their book, which means it will not affect their capital account. It would just you just have to pass this entry as an adjustment entry. So whatever the adjustment entry alone you pass, and that is enough. But in terms of previous problem, general reserve not shown in the new balance sheet. New balance sheet la general reserve kadayadu. So obviously you need to take this and segregate it in the profit sharing, old profit sharing ratio of the partners. So to X capital account and Y's capital account. So in the capital account you will write it as by general reserve. Okay, so thank you class, I'll see you in the next video.